How to translate WeChat text messages. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to translate WeChat text messages. So, in order to enhance your communication experience on WeChat by exploring its translation feature, simply first you need to open WeChat. Now, you need to make sure that you have signed in and navigate to chat section. Now, open the chat where you want to translate the WeChat text messages. Once you locate a particular message or text message, long press on it. And here you will get multiple features. Simply select Translate and then it will be translated to your preferred language. So as you can see that we have translated the language to English and it is translated as hi. So that is how you can easily translate WeChat text messages and enhance your communication experience. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.